Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm just going to be showing you these are my peonies that I purchased. Got two for about £3 or £4 from Woodco's. As you can see, they were bare roots. I never expect to flower when I buy them this small. The first year is just really building up the energy for the flowers for the second year. So if you can see them, they're really good plants and they're really healthy. So I'll carry on watering and feeding them and hopefully get some flowers off them next year. As I shall turn around, I shall just try and show you the ones that have been in 2 years. See what you think of them flowers. See about the sun here, really bright. Here we go. These are the ones that have been in 2 years. As you can see, absolutely humongous flowers. Smell divine. Gorgeous. And look really good. So, Peonys getting on really well. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please subscribe. And if you like, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye.